Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain is Briobee.com legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end as I will share the way to get your money back. Well, we can see that the site sells different varieties of watches and they have product names like Invicta Men's 56mm Grand Sabiq Noma watch, and we can also see that they are having huge discounts. The prices of these watches are almost 50% off. Here we can see that they also have different varieties options, and most of the products are having 50%, 72% discount. Here we can see that the product images and products once. Here at the bottom page they have mentioned that they will take PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Maestro and American Express as their mode of payment. Here they have also given their newsletter which you can subscribe. Now let's check out their shipping policy. So here they have mentioned that they can take around 2 to 4 weeks to deliver the order. Also they have mentioned that they will provide free shipping on orders over $49 as well. Now guys, before going any further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about on those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Well, the site is having a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good thing as it will protect your payment methods. Coming to the website age, the website was registered on 10th July 2020, which means the site is approximately 2.5 months old, which is not a very good thing as new websites never have credibility. So now let's check out there some other details like about us section. So here in the about us section they have mentioned some of the details about themselves, but we can see that they have not mentioned anything regarding the owner's identity. Also the information given here is quite copied and it does not look authentic or unique to us. The prices of the products are heavily discounted. They seem like too good to be true prices if you talk about it. The payment methods are sufficient though. So now let's check out their contact us section. So here we can see that they have mentioned their contact service email ID which matches with the website domain. Also they have given their company's address here and they have also mentioned that this is not a returning address. We can see that they have not given much legit information here as well. So now looking into the social media presence, the site is having no social media presence whatsoever, which is again a bad thing. So now let's check out their return and policy. So here they have mentioned that they have 45 days of return policy, which is fair enough. Also share your reviews regarding the return and refund policy of the website. Now looking into the customer reviews, the site is having no customer reviews whatsoever either on Google or any other platform, which is again a bad thing. Now looking into the website content quality, the website content quality is very poor as we can see some copied content and copied images, which is a very bad sign. Also they are having some lack of information and some of the information given by this website is also contradicting as well. So guys, giving a final verdict, we currently do not recommend this site to you because it looks like a possible scam to us because the site is very new. It is giving some copied content, copied images. It is having 1% trust score index and low traffic as well. So if you have ever been scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video as we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.